Okay, now see, let's see. This is the iron ore deposit which I had deposited, which I have visited a few years ago, and you can see this is the quality of magnetite. The magnet is so tightly attracted by this magnetite ore. You can see this. This is the magnet. Okay, this is the magnet which is attracted by iron ore, and this is the deposit which I had visited a few years ago in the northern part of Pakistan. So it's a huge deposit, about 4 kilometer is length of this deposit, and anywhere if you put the magnet, that will be tightly attracted by the iron ore. So we have huge deposits of iron ore, and if you use that iron ore and upgrade it and convert it into its product, and this will result in creation of large number of job opportunities. This will result in large number of business opportunities, and value addition will result in the betterment of national economy. So we hope that one day, inshallah, our government and our people will understand these opportunities, and they will then use these potential resources for the betterment of the country. And now you can see this is the graph which I have plotted, and I have taken the data from matrix statistic of 2018, and you can see this is the graph and the world, and the sponge iron is production is increased from 2000 to 2020, and you can see that the graph is going up. And now there is these are the graphs of a few countries. You can see on the top is India. So the iron ore, the sponge iron production is highest in India. India is the world leader in this metal production, because there are, as I have told you in the previous lecture, in the previous slides, that there are two methods for the production of iron from its ore. These are directly reduced iron and sponge iron, directly reduced iron and sponge iron, and the other one is pig iron. So you can see from this graph that after India there is another country, Iran, and this is the second highest producing country of sponge iron. So Kingdom of Saudi Arabia also very good, and unfortunately Pakistan is on the bottom, and there was only a few million tons of iron produced in 2013, but now Pakistan is not producing sponge iron because there was only one steel mill, and that was Al Tawarki steel mill, and that is also not operational nowadays because of some reasons, and I will discuss that with you, and the complex engineering problems. So China is producing iron, but China is using pig iron production method. The reason is that pig iron can be produced on a large scale. So where large scale production of sponge iron is required, large scale production of iron is required, pig iron production is the better method. The blast furnace method is the better one, and melting and smelting method is the better one. But where deposits are in small quantity, where the requirement is a smaller level compared to another to a higher level, then sponge iron production is a better method, better option. In Pakistan, I will prefer the sponge iron method for the production of iron from its ore. Reason as there are small deposits, and uh, in this case, small investment is involved as compared to the production of pig iron. So in Pakistani environment, the better method is sponge iron production are directly reduced iron production compared to pig iron, and there are different methods used. There are different fuels used for the production of sponge iron. One is natural gas and the other one is coal. I think I had told you that in Iran, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, natural gas is abundantly available. Therefore, reduction of uh, iron from its ore is better by using natural gas, and Maddox process is well established technique for that purpose, and that is used in the world. But in India, coal is used for the production of sponge iron, and in Pakistan, I will also prefer to use coal because we have abundantly available coal in Pakistan, and that coal can be used for the production of sponge iron. As we are facing problems in natural gas, therefore, natural gas is not a good option. And this is one of the biggest reason for the failure of Al-Tabarki steel mill, because Al-Tabarki steel mill Karachi was based on natural gas during the government of Parvez Musharraf, but after that government, the subsidized the subsidy was removed, and then subsidized supply of gas was stopped, and therefore the production was halted, and now that steel mill is not producing sponge iron. So for the production of sponge iron in Pakistan, I will recommend coal as a fuel and as a source of a reduction of iron oxide. And now you can see this is the iron ore which I have taken from northern Pakistan, as I have told you, and these are my students of Mat 4, and they have produced sponge iron in their lab, and they were doing same class project as you are doing. So you can see this is Obed Rauf, and this is Saim Siddiqui, and they are they're extracting sponge iron. This is sponge iron which is produced from the iron ore which I had collected from northern Pakistan. So you can also do like this.